close our show with a song that I wrote for a movie I did called Smoking the Bandit. And sounds like you've seen the movie, so I know you heard the song. So if the Spirit moves you to sing along with us, just jump right in there. A 1, 2, do it now. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Bandit, is that you, son? Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch your bandit run. Now keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we gonna run the mail. Well, the boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana. We'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch your bandit run. He's hot on your trail. He ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. So you got to dodge him, you got to duck him. Gotta keep that diesel truckin'. Put that hammer down and give it hell. Eastbound and down, loaded up and truckin'. I'm eastbound, just watch your bandit run. Watch your bandit run. Watch your bandit run. Good night, everybody. God bless you. We love you.